In this video, we will gonna show you how to make row level security in Power BI to automatic filter the user upon his country that he is logging in from. So this question was raised from one of my customers that asking me, look, Ahmadi, can the user be filtered when he is using the Power BI service report upon his location? And okay, yeah, he can use the username or user principal name function, and it will be. He told me, no, not this. I want him, if he is logging from USA, so just the data related to USA is brought up, and if he is logging from like Egypt, so just he will see the data related to Egypt. So when we start to think about this, the first thing that will be identification or identificator to the location is the IP. So I started to search and look up for something like that, and finally we will introduce a solution here using connection to automatic and free website to identifying the IP for the user and using security, row level security in Power BI. So eventually we will see our model acting like this. If we use the country role and I am logging from Egypt country, it should be automatic filtering here on only Egypt data. As you can see, no other country is available. Of course, filtering, you can do the report to be filtered, but we are talking here about a row level security that could be applied and automatically filters the data upon the login location of the user. So let us see how could we do this together. So first let me introduce the free GeoIP Live website. This website is free and you can connect to it. Once you connect to it, it will give you your IP and some details about your location and time zone, and it's very useful to use it for your connection and your model. So we will grab this data in our model, so any user connected to the report, it will be automatically grabbing the data from the website, and it will change, of course, upon the location and upon the IP of the user. So this is the trick, and this is the idea about it, the whole idea. So if we come back to our model, and actually it's a typical adventure work example here, like you see, I will start to connect to the website using the web connector. So we will go to get data, used the web connector, and put the link of the free geoip.live. Okay, connect. And then we will need to do some simple transformation in the query editor. Okay. And here the Power BI was able to identify the table that contains our precious data, and we will go for transformation just to make some transposing to this data to make it like more handy in our model. Okay, and I will call it IP underscore details, and we will do only transposing here and first row as a header. So we got our IP, we got our country and region, even city, and latitude, longitude. Of course, you can use this for like do splitting and use latitude, longitude separate, and time zone. So this is very good, and I have here in my model the fact internet sales, and I did some manipulation in data to have Egypt in it, because it was like United States, Australia, and Canada, like there is no Egypt. So we will see here the sales territory country, having the countries that I can connect to it. So when I came here to the model, I will close and apply, and be sure that they are connected in the model. Okay, go and check the model. Okay, where's our data? Yeah, IP details. And I will connect country to the country territory. Okay, and it will try to detect the relationship and cardinality, and voila. Okay, it's now connected one to many. Really good, really good. Okay, so the second thing is actually making our RLS, and it's very simple here. I need to tell it if the country in your data is same as the country in the IP details table, okay, it's your role. So we can go for the manage roles here and go for the fact internet sales. As you see, I already made my syntax and function. I'm telling him when the sales territory country value equal, because I used here any aggregation. You can use minimum, maximum, and I told him it's the same as in the IP details country. Okay, use it, and we save it, and we here testing our logic. Okay, and we will see here view as country role. It should be Egypt because I am Egypt. Okay, yeah, okay, voila, it's coming now. So this is testing our logic. It's working, and anyone will use it in the Power BI service. It will give him only the data related to the location he is accessing the report from. Let us see here the Power BI service after we publishing this report and test it on the Power BI service. So our report is ready now on the service, and we will go and check it. And we will go for security. Still no member assigned. I will select my name. And do add, save. Of course, here you can add your group or members that you want to check, and voila, it's working. It's giving me only my data here in Egypt and only filtering on mapping for Egypt. So it's here working fine. So that's for this video. I hope it's adding a value for your reports. Tell me in the comments if you tried this before, if you can use this approach for any of your reports. Thank you, and see you in the other video.